is Anya, and today we want to make a Turkish Delight Cheesecake. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday. Crush 150 grams of tennis biscuits and add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix until well combined. Press into baking pan and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Chop 150 grams of pink Turkish Delight. In the description I'll link down below my Turkish Delight recipe. Toss the Turkish Delight in some icing sugar to prevent them from sticking to each other. Mix until well combined. Add 3/4 cup of cold water to a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Sprinkle 1 packet of Anya lemon cheesecake on top. Mix slightly. Add 230 grams of cream cheese. Mix until well combined. Add 1 cup of whipped cream. Mix until well combined. Pour half of the cheesecake mixture into the prepared pan. Add 1 to 2 drops of pink food coloring. Add chopped up Turkish Delight and mix until well combined. Pour the rest of the cheesecake in. And using a skewer, create swirls. Place in the fridge overnight. Cut and enjoy some Turkish Delight cheesecake.